So today I got a very exciting news that I'll be getting a bigger project in the coming week. However, they added a little bit of spice to it by saying that the people that I'll be working with are going to be quite challenging. So it's probably not going to be easy, but either way, I have to put on my head straight, prepare for it more than I usually do, and then show up for it. Do what I am good at, do what I'm supposed to do. Um, I have to say, I am a bit nervous. It's easier said than done, but I think I just have to forget about all the fears. And even if they are, I just have to fake it until the week is over and the project is done. I am really nervous though. I'm already thinking about it and I'm wondering if I'll be able to sleep tonight or not. Hopefully, I will sleep fine, but it's constantly in my mind now, the things that I have to prepare, how I should go about it, and how I should schedule things. La la la. Just keeps going in my head. I'm excited, but I'm very, very nervous. Then the whole surrender aspect comes into existence where I'm like, okay, whatever's supposed to happen is going to happen either way. So, might as well just surrender to the universe and be like, I'm gonna do my best. Now the rest is up to you. Whatever you feel like is right, great. Whatever you feel like is not, I accept. Must have been for a learning, must have been some kind of a reason for me to have to go through a certain situation or deal with certain people or whatever. And I guess I'll just go forward from it. Like, I think that's my way of adding optimism to any situation, because I would rather stay optimistic even under pressure, even under nervousness, rather than being pessimistic and losing sleep over it. Now, not saying that just because I'm trying to switch my mind to optimism, I'll be able to sleep. I guess I'll just know that tomorrow in the morning, and I'll be able to tell you that in tomorrow's journal. For now, that is what is going to help me calm my nerves. I think it would have been better if they wouldn't have told me the kind of people that I would be dealing with, but I know they had good intention. So they told me that the people that I'll be dealing with will not be easy, or they could be like finicky about stuff. So I understand it was good intention. Now, now that I know. I cannot go back in time and stop things from happening. So might as well just look forward and go forward. All right, I got this. It's not so bad. I've handled people before. I've handled situations before. So let's see how it goes. All the best to me. I'll see you tomorrow.